Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute, grabe ang pananabik ng mga dumbbell fans sa Don Bell or kina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano. Kasi naman, trending lang naman tayo in the Philippines. Number 1 na may hashtag na Bel Loming at Pinagbenga. Trending with the hashtag Smart Panagbenga with Don Bell and Don Bell Blooms Panagbenga. Number 2 din, ang trending in the Philippines na may hashtag na One Donnie Full Day at Baguio.